How to organize and sort records in Airtable. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can organize and sort records in Airtable. So kindly watch till the end, right? The first thing to do is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page. On this page, you'll see the Airtable logo by the top left corner. At the middle, you'll see the search bar. And then by the right side, you also see other icons as well. So the next thing to do here is to go ahead and open up a base, okay? So you can just click on start from scratch to create a base, and then you can see a welcome address. Just um wait for the base to load, okay? Now once it has loaded, you can see the view of the base, which is currently grid, and then by the right side you can see get started. You can just cancel this so you can concentrate on your work. So once you have this ready, the next step or the next thing to do is to you can choose another view. Okay, currently this is the grid view, so you have to select the view you would want to organize. All right, you should remember that sorting in one view doesn't affect the other in other views. Okay, so once you've selected the view, for example mine is currently on grid view. The next step is go to the top part of the screen. At the top part of the screen, there is the views bar, and then the bar we have the current view, we have hide view, fields, filter, group, sort, color, share, and sync. So just go ahead and click on sort. Okay. After clicking on sort, you have to choose a field to sort by. Which of the field you want to sort? Is it by name, notes, assignee, or status? Just select the field. For example, I selected name. After selecting name, you can see the box being displayed. So here you can now select how you want it to be sorted. Do you want it to be alphabetical, the varieties from A to Z or from Z to A? Ensure you select the one you want. For me, I'll be working with A to Z, and then once you're done, you can decide to add another sort. That is, you can add multiple sorts. All right, this is for ease in organizing. So the next step is to select the next sort. It could be assigning. So select it too, and then set the kind of arrangement you want. And then by the right side, you can see some dots. Just click on this, and then you can move it. You can move the order upwards. As if you want the assignee to come first or you want names to come first. All right. So once you've done that, you can see that's the order would be sorted following this pattern. Okay, so you can also add more sorts if you want. So following this procedure would organize your work automatically. As you can see, it's already organized this way. Okay, you can also add more sorts, and then like I said, you can change the priority if you want. Then having done this, the next step is to in grouping your records is to go to the right side of sort and click on group, and then you can see group by. Then the next step is to pick a field to group by, and then by clicking on the field you can see add subgroup. You can see the manner of arrangement. You can see three dots. By the time you click on it, you can select if you want to add groups with no record or show group with no record. Then you can now select the field that you want to organize. You can add a sub field. Just go around this, and then once you're done, it will be grouped. And then you can continue what you're doing. You can see it has been grouped. So this is basically how to do it. This is how you can organize your records in your base. Thanks for watching and have a good day.